Hi guys, this is Framester14 and I've come to the Yas Marina circuit in Abu Dhabi because there is a Supercar Majlis track day event that's happening with over 90 supercars. So let's go check out the cars we have here. So guys, all the cars are parked over here. All the cars behind me. Insane. So guys, the parade lap is over. Now all the members are tracking their cars now. The Hurricane STO. This car is meant to be on this track, guys. Just look at the way this thing looks. A proper race car. And we have the GT3. cooling down and the participants are having lunch. So this is a great time to have a look at the cars that are here. So let's go. So first over here we have the AMG GT Black Series, which is actually born for the track, and there are actually 4 of them in the event today. Out of them, one is the Project 1 edition, which is limited to just 275 pieces worldwide. So I'll just show you right now. Just look at this thing, it looks amazing. Just 2 in India and 4 right here. This is a 570S. Next to it is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS MR. So it's the Manthey Racing. Just look at the alloys, looks brilliant. Lucium alloys and the carbon fiber right here. It is so aerodynamic, and look at these fenders, and the entire bonnet is carbon fiber. Looks beautiful, and this crayon grey paint job looks absolutely dope. And this huge carbon fiber wing, just have a look at this. Next to it is the McLaren 720S, and it's got the Rift body kit on the car, as well as a Rift exhaust. Next to this, it's the McLaren 650S, owned by my friend Warren, and I'm going to get a ride in this in a while. Next to this, guys, the ultimate beast. This is the only hypercar in the event. Just have a look at this. It's the McLaren P1. Just look at this thing, guys. Fully carbon fiber, and this thing is more than 10 years old. Can you imagine? Wow, it's like a spaceship, guys. Just have a look at this. And this is a dynamic spoiler which raises up and acts like an air brake as well. Wow, looks so sick. Let's see what we have behind the P1. It's the 992 GT3. Just have a look at the number over here. It says 992. Wow. And these alloys, they look super light. Advanced race. Oh, there you can see a Huracan STO. Wow, just look at that thing. Looks sick. And we have a Ferrari 812 Superfast right there. Over here we have a F8 Spider. Oh wow, just have a look at that thing. We have an Aventador SV Roadster. RS right here, 570 over here. So guys, the cinematic video will be on my Instagram page. The Instagram is @Preemster14. Now let's go in the other pit and see what cars we have over there. That SV is super loud, guys. So Over here we can see a 458, and wow, it's in an orange color. First time seeing an orange Ferrari. Over here we have AMG GT Black Series, GT3 RS, and this is the third GT Black Series, and this one is the fourth. This is the fourth one. That spider right here. Wow, look at this thing. The 488 Pista. We have another 488 Pista over here. This is the F8. The GTR Pro right there, and we have a Hurricane over here, and a normal GT3 right here. Right, these are brand new discs.
Even the front,
and it was very scary, guys.
No, but brake oil doesn't, it's not so thick.